Hi there, and welcome to my quiz channel. I'm Dr. Quiz. Welcome back, nature lovers. Today we're diving into the wild with 25 questions about animals and the natural world. As each question appears, pick your answer before the timer runs out, and keep track of the points shown on screen. Ready to test your wildlife smarts? Let's go! Which animal, shown standing here, is the tallest living land animal, worth 100 points? Take a look. A. African elephant. B. Ostrich. C. Giraffe. D. Moose. This one is a gentle giant of the wild. Moment of truth. The answer? The correct answer is giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest living terrestrial animals. Sharks are mammals because many give birth to live young, worth 100 points. What's it going to be? A. True. B. False. Many people get this fact wrong. Let's see if you do. Drum roll. The right one. The correct answer is false. Sharks are cartilaginous fish, even when a species gives birth to live young. What is a young cat, like the one shown here, called? Worth 100 points. Your options: A. Kitten. B. Cub. C. Calf. D. Joey. This little one has a very cute name. Who got it? The answer? The correct answer is kitten. A young domestic cat is called a kitten. Which carnivorous plant is shown in the image? Worth 100 points. Choose. A. Pitcher plant. B. Venus flytrap. C. Sundew. D. Bladderwort. It's a plant that eats bugs, but which one? And the correct answer is? The correct answer is Venus flytrap. The hinged traps with marginal teeth identify a Venus flytrap. About how many living mammal species are recognized worldwide? Worth 100 points. Options: A. About 600. B. About 2,000. C. About 20,000. D. About 6,500. Get ready to estimate a big number. The ones who picked it were right. The correct answer is about 6,500. Modern mammal catalogs recognize roughly 6,500 living species. Which animal has the fastest recorded sprint speed on land? Worth 200 points. The choices: A. Cheetah. B. Pronghorn. C. Lion. D. Greyhound. Speed is the name of the game here. Cards on the table. The answer? The correct answer is cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal over short distances. Which animal is the odd one out because it lays eggs rather than giving birth to live young? Worth 200 points. Take a look. A. Koala. B. Wombat. C. Kangaroo. D. Platypus. This animal breaks the rules of its group. Let's check. The correct one. The correct answer is platypus. The platypus is a monotreme. The other three are marsupials. Which bird makes the distinctive two-note call in this recording? Worth 200 points. What's it going to be? A. Eurasian hoopoe. B. Common cuckoo. C. Common raven. D. European robin. Listen carefully. That call is iconic. No more waiting. Correct. The correct answer is common cuckoo. The male common cuckoo's familiar call gives the species its English name. How many hearts does the octopus shown here have? Worth 200 points. Your options: A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. How many hearts do you think it has? Eyes on the screen. The answer? The correct answer is 3. An octopus has 2 branchial hearts and 1 systemic heart. Which butterfly species is shown resting on milkweed? Worth 200 points. Choose A. Monarch butterfly, B. Painted lady, C. Swallowtail, D. Red admiral. Its wings are a beautiful sight. Now we find out. It's... The correct answer is monarch butterfly. The orange and black wing pattern and milkweed association identify a monarch. A goldfish can remember events for only 3 seconds. Worth 200 points. Options: A. False, B. True. A common myth, but is it true? Moment of truth. The answer? The correct answer is false. Research and animal care evidence show goldfish can retain learned information far longer than 3 seconds. Which living animal, shown here with a calf, typically has the longest pregnancy, about 22 months? Worth 300 points. The choices: A. Giraffe, B. African elephant, C. Rhinoceros, D. Walrus. This mother has a very long wait. Drum roll. The right one. The correct answer is African elephant. Elephants have the longest gestation among living mammals, about 22 months. Which sequence correctly orders the main stages of a frog's life cycle? Worth 300 points. Take a look. A. Egg, tadpole, froglet, adult. B. Tadpole, egg, adult, froglet. C. Egg, froglet, tadpole, adult. D. Adult, egg, froglet, tadpole. Put the stages in order. Think about its journey. Who got it? The answer? That's egg, tadpole, froglet, adult. Frogs develop from eggs into tadpoles, then froglets, then adults. Which Arctic whale is shown swimming among sea ice with a mottled gray back and no dorsal fin? Worth 300 points. What's it going to be? A. Beluga whale, B. Bowhead whale, C. Orca, D. Narwhal. Look at that tusk. It's a unique whale. And the correct answer is... The correct answer is narwhal. The mottled gray coloration, rounded back without a dorsal fin, and high Arctic sea ice habitat identify a narwhal. Approximately how much did the heaviest, reliably recorded example of this species, blue whale, shown here, weigh? Worth 300 points. Your options: A, about 50 tons, B, about 110 tons, C, about 190 tons, D, about 350 tons. This weight is mind-boggling. The ones who picked it were right. The correct answer is about 190 tons. The heaviest recorded blue whale weighed about 190 tons. Which amphibian is shown? Recognizable by its feathery external gills. Worth 300 points. Choose A, olm, B, axolotl, C, mud puppy, D, tiger salamander. This amphibian looks like a smiling alien. Cards on the table. The answer? The correct answer is axolotl. Axolotls retain larval external gills into adulthood, a condition called neoteny. At its highest metabolic activity, roughly how fast can the hummingbird shown here, a ruby-throated hummingbird, beat its heart? Worth 300 points. Options: A, about 1,200 beats per minute. B, about 100 beats per minute. C, about 400 beats per minute. D, about 3,000 beats per minute. That heart rate is incredible. Let's check. The correct answer is about 1,200 beats per minute. Its heart rate can rise to roughly 1,200 beats per minute. When hunting underwater with its eyes, ears, and nostrils closed, what sense helps a platypus locate prey? Worth 300 points. The choices: A, echolocation, B, infrared vision, C, electroreception, D, polarized light vision. It hunts without seeing. How? No more waiting. Correct. The correct answer is electroreception. Electroreceptors in the bill detect electrical signals from prey muscles. Which bird, shown here, was reported in 2008 to show mirror-directed mark removal, evidence associated with self-recognition? Worth 400 points. Take a look. A, African gray parrot. B, New Caledonian crow. C, rock pigeon. D, Eurasian magpie. This bird passed a clever test. Eyes on the screen. The answer? The correct answer is Eurasian magpie. Eurasian magpies attempted to remove a mark visible only in a mirror. Some mantis shrimps, like the one shown here, have how many spectral classes of photoreceptor? Worth 400 points. What's it going to be? A, 12, B, 4, C, 8, D, 16. Its eyes are a marvel of nature. Now we find out. It's... The correct answer is 12. The cited study describes 12 spectral photoreceptor classes in mantis shrimp. Humans have 3 cone classes. Polarization channels are a separate visual capability and should not be added to this spectral count. The jellyfish Turritopsis dornii can revert from its adult medusa stage to a juvenile polyp stage, worth 400 points. Your options: A, false, B, true. This creature might never truly die. Moment of truth. The answer? The correct answer is true. This species can reverse its life cycle through cellular reprogramming. Martha, the last known passenger pigeon, died in 1914. Did this happen before or after World War I began in Europe? Worth 400 points. Choose A, about 20 years before, B, about 5 years before, C, a few weeks after, D, about 10 years after. Timing is everything in this question. Drum roll. The right one. The correct answer is a few weeks after. World War I began in late July 1914. Martha died on 1 September 1914. In a honeybee waggle dance, which feature primarily communicates the distance to a food source? Worth 400 points. Options: A, number of wing veins, B, color of the dancer, C, pitch of the hive hum, D, duration of the waggle run. Bees communicate in a dance. What's the key? Who got it? The answer? The correct answer is duration of the waggle run. Longer waggle runs indicate greater distance. Angle communicates direction relative to the sun. Which substance accumulates rapidly in the tissues of the wood frog shown here and acts as a cryoprotectant during freezing? Worth 500 points. The choices: A, glycerol, B, glucose, C, ethylene glycol, D, trehalose. This frog survives freezing. How? And the correct answer is? The correct answer is glucose. Wood frogs mobilize large amounts of glucose, which limits cellular damage during freezing. Which light-sensitive protein family is a leading candidate for the radical pair mechanism of magnetic sensing in migratory birds? Worth 500 points. Take a look. A, rhodopsins, B, hemoglobins, C, keratin proteins, D, cryptochromes. Birds sense the Earth's magnetic field. Which protein helps? The ones who picked it were right. The correct answer is cryptochromes. Photoactivated cryptochromes in the retina are leading molecular candidates for a magnetic compass. Great job working through all 25 questions. Now count up your points and drop your score in the comments. I can't wait to see how you did. And stay tuned for the next quiz, coming soon.